always painting, it's true. Today it's perfect painting weather, and so I'm going to be working on painting our patio furniture that we've had for several years, but it needs a refresh. If you followed along at all with my channel, LiveFreeMiranda, or our Richmond Fixer Upper series, then you know that I love the paint sprayer. This one in particular has been my very favorite. It's the HomeRight Finish Max Super. One thing that I love about this sprayer is that it's super easy to set up and use as a total amateur. I also love that I can pour the paint straight from the can without thinning it and have it still have wonderful results. So it's less work for me and it still works great. Transformed these patio furniture pieces from old, kind of ratty looking, used up furniture that someone might want to replace rather than restore, and with some great paint and the HomeRight Finish Max Super Paint Sprayer, quickly turn them into this beautiful new looking set that's going to hold up to the weather, be durable, and look great for years to come. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure that you subscribe and that you show up so that we can inspire you to live a creative, adventurous life. We'll see you next time.